you go on the highway?
Alright, so the speed limit is 70, but we've got that sign up top, and those signs are attached by magnets that are only rated to 65 miles per hour. Keep going. So we usually don't push it too much. We try to keep it around 65-ish.
Okay.
Next time we stop, remind me though, because I need to show you cruise control. Okay, roll up there just a little bit closer. Okay. Alright, cruise control. See those buttons over there? That button right there turns the power on. You can press that and you'll see an icon come on your RPM gauge. Press that button. Alright, see that icon come up? Alright, that means power's onto it. So when you accelerate to the speed that you want to keep, hit the set button. That will lock in your speed.
Okay.
Yep. And then just take your foot off the gas, set it on the floor, and then if you want to cut off cruise control, press the brake or hit the left button. That cancels it.
Okay.
Alright. If you have cruise control set, let's say you set it at 65 and we need to go fast for a minute to get by something or somebody, you can still accelerate and you'll speed up, and then when you get by and let off, and it'll just come back down to where you had it set. Alright, you ready? Let's go. Alright, and when he crosses the line, check your fellow distance.
3.
Good. What kind of music do we want to listen to today?
I don't care.
You don't care? So we can listen to opera? Hear with opera? Wow. This is just like craziness waiting there. I mean, that is nuts. Dude, really? Yeah, let's keep on going. What a jerk.